Did you ever accidentally touch your MacBook Air's display, confusing it with a tablet? Well, then you know it doesn't have a touchscreen. Until now. AirBar brings touchscreen gestures to MacBook Air notebooks. Just plug it in to get touch. Tap the display to get access to all your apps. Sweep to move around in maps. Double tap to zoom in. Or rotate to get a better view. Straighten your photos using your finger. And switch between different filters just by tapping on them. Scroll away on your favorite website and click on that interesting link. Easily edit the layout of your presentations. You can even use it when editing videos. With AirBar, you get all the gestures that you are used to, available today.